Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I took these invitations that are a full bleed, and I'm going to assemble them, and I'm going to add some pearl as an accent. Now, this was a Tiffany inspired design, and if you notice, even though it's Tiffany inspired, I have nothing on here that says Tiffany. I'm using the colors, I'm using the phrase, but there's nothing on here that actually says it's Tiffany. So let's get started, and it's full bleed because I've cut these down 5 by 7. 4.5 by 6.5, and I'm going to layer it perfectly. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my two pieces together. I'm going to tape it along, and I normally go all 4 corners like such, and I'm going to adhere it down. And some people use a jig. I don't use a jig. I've been doing it long enough so I know what it looks like. And I'm just going to grab me some of my pearls. And I have an option to add the bling here or here. So I'm going to try and see which one I like. So I'm going to use my Crystal Katana tool, and I'm going to use the opening here and push down on the pearl. And I'm going to pull on it to release it. Now this is Recollection pearls that are on a roll. And that's what this one looks like. So I'm going to show you what the other one looks like. Now you have the option of adding down some E6000 on here to keep the pearls down. Or you can just use the glue that's on it, either one. Do the same thing. Put it down, and I'm going to put the pearl on the exclamation point to see which one I like better. And I stretched this. I'm just going to cut a little bit of it off. I'm going to press it down and pull it. Now, which one do you like? Can't really tell. Which one do you like? Let me know. Thanks for watching.